Hello and welcome to today's on-demand webinar. Are you covered for benefit administration mistakes? Understanding Employee Benefits Liability, brought to you by Professional Insurance Programs. Today, we'll be walking you through what EBL coverage is, why it matters, and how to make sure your business is protected. Here's what we'll cover. First, we'll explain what Employee Benefits Liability, or EBL, actually is. Then we'll review what's typically covered under an EBL policy. We'll walk through common scenarios where mistakes happen. Then we'll talk about why this coverage matters for employers of all sizes. We'll also explain how to check whether you already have EBL protection in place. And finally, we'll share how our team at Professional Insurance Programs can help. Employee Benefits Liability Insurance is designed to protect your business from claims that arise due to administrative errors or omissions when handling employee benefits. That includes mistakes like enrolling someone in the wrong plan, missing a deadline to add or remove coverage, or failing to inform employees about plan changes. Even something as simple as a clerical error can result in financial harm to an employee and potential legal action. EBL coverage helps pay for legal defense costs, settlements, or judgments that may result from such mistakes. So, what does EBL typically cover? It includes administration errors tied to group health, dental, and vision insurance, life and disability insurance, 401k and other retirement plans, COBRA continuation coverage. It's important to note EBL covers how the benefits are handled, not the benefits themselves. So if the error is in the way something was communicated or processed, that's where EBL comes in. Let's go over a few examples that can trigger an EBL claim. A new hire fills out benefit paperwork, but it never gets submitted. They later face a medical emergency and discover they aren't enrolled in the health plan. HR shares outdated plan information. The employee makes a coverage choice based on that info and later finds out it wasn't accurate. COBRA notices don't go out on time, and a former employee loses their opportunity to continue coverage. These kinds of mistakes happen more often than you might think, and even in organizations with the best intentions. Here's why EBL coverage is so important. The average EBL claim is over $75,000. That's not pocket change. All businesses that offer benefits are exposed to this risk, whether you have 3 employees or 300. And having the right coverage gives you peace of mind that if something goes wrong, your business is protected. Mistakes happen. EBL helps you recover without derailing your operations or finances. You might assume your business is already covered, but here's the catch. EBL is not automatically included in most general or management liability policies. It typically has to be added by endorsement. That means if you haven't asked for it, or your agent hasn't discussed it, it may not be there. We strongly recommend reviewing your current policy or speaking with your insurance advisor to confirm. At Professional Insurance Programs, we're here to help you figure this out. We'll take a close look at your current coverage, identify any gaps or exposures you may not be aware of, and recommend whether EBL is something your business needs to consider. A simple review is part of what we do for every client, and it can make a big difference when it comes to managing risk. If you'd like to learn more or schedule a coverage review, don't hesitate to get in touch. You can reach us by phone at 800-637-4676, email us at info@profinsprog.com, or visit our website, insuranceformmembers.com. Thanks again for watching. We hope this helped clarify how employee benefits liability coverage works and why it's worth your attention.